Today we will create a small corner together, where it will be cozy to read, relax and just enjoy the silence. It's simple, a little care, a little warmth, and your home will become even more homely. Step 1. Choose a comfortable chair. When we talk about comfort, it is important to start with the right chair. Imagine a soft chair by the window, your favorite book in your hands, and the whole world outside the window. Choose a chair with a high back, so that it is comfortable to lean back and relax. And of course, lumbar support. For example, I really like it when the armrests are wide. You can put your hand on them and put a cup of tea on a small stand nearby. Step 2. Lighting, creating the right mood. The right light is half the comfort. If the light is too harsh, it is difficult to read. If it is too dim, your eyes get tired quickly. Therefore, the best option is a warm lamp next to your chair. It is desirable that the lamp be at shoulder level. I especially like lamps with fabric lampshades. The light through the fabric becomes soft, like sunbeams. There are lamps that can be dimmed. Stronger during the day, and dim light for comfort in the evening. Very convenient. Step 3. Books and useful little things nearby. When everything is at hand, rest becomes even more pleasant. A small shelf next to the chair will be an ideal solution. You can put your favorite books, beautiful magazines or short story collections there. A small table is nearby. It's easy to put a cup of tea, reading glasses or even a small notepad on it. I love having everything at hand. A blanket to throw over my shoulders. A scented candle to add some mood. Little things make life truly cozy. Step 4. Add warmth and life to the corner. A living plant is a small green island of joy. Put a frame with your favorite photos next to it, with children, grandchildren, friends. You can light a scented candle. For example, with the scent of lavender, vanilla or freshly cut grass. Step 5. How to turn reading into a real ritual of coziness. When the space is ready, it's time for the most important thing. Make reading a special moment for yourself. Let reading become your little ritual. A ritual of silence, self-care and joy. For example, before opening a book, brew yourself your favorite tea. Wrap yourself in a blanket, get comfortable. Choose a time when no one will distract you. Feel how nice it is to start or end the day with a quiet time alone with yourself. Take your time, let each page be like a small journey. If you want, you can keep a small reading diary. Write down your favorite quotes, thoughts. This will help preserve warm moments and inspiration for many years. And with each such evening, with each page you read, your cozy corner will become more and more yours. More than just a place, a real home for the heart. Comfort is not a rush. Comfort is self-love, expressed in small joys. And one of them is to give yourself a quiet evening with a book. This is how easy it is to create your own place of power. A small island of calm in our home. A place where you want to smile, pour yourself some tea and immerse yourself in your favorite book. Thank you for being with me on CozyNest Life. Subscribe so you don't miss new ideas for coziness. And remember, happiness can live in every home. The main thing is to create it with love.